Last week, the markets got a strong jobs number and just kept going and going and going. Record 6 weeks straight. But this week, inflation shows up, and inflation doesn't care about your rally. Now, Tuesday, we get the US CPI, which is your headline risk. Wednesday, PPI tells you if margin pressure is building. Thursday's retail sales and jobless claims, the consumer check. With oil still elevated and feeding into everything, one hot print and suddenly yields are spiking. So don't just watch the number, but watch yields, the dollar, and equities too after it drops, because that reaction is the signal. And running alongside all of that is a really clean earnings slate. We've got Cisco on Wednesday, Alibaba also on Wednesday, and Applied Materials on Thursday, plus the Trump-Xi summit is happening, and the headlines could matter more than the numbers this week. Have a fantastic trading week. Like, follow, share for more from us. Bye for now.